Good day everyone, I am Janji Waltubayan from BSMT LNAT 1. Today I am going to obtain accurate stability diagrams, stream, and stress table used on board ships, and calculate the GC volume and area of GC curve at 30 degrees at a given scenario. Calculation of GC value and area under the GC curve at 30 degrees. In this problem, we analyze the ship's stability based on the given data in the images. The goal is to determine first the GC value writing arm at 30 degree scale. Second, the area under the GC curve from 0 degrees to 30 degrees. Step 1. Extracting given data from the provided images. We identify the following key ship stability parameters. Displacement A equals 33,407 metric tons. Ship's total weight. Kg center of gravity above the keel equals 7.89 meters. Km metacentric height above the keel equals 11.40 meters. Heel angle 0 equals 30 degrees. Step 2. Calculate GM metacentric height. The metacentric height GM is an important stability parameter that represents how stable a ship is when tilted. It is calculated as GM equals Km minus Kg, substituting the values GM 11.40 minus 7.89 equals GM of 3.51 meters. GM is positive 3.5 meters, which means the ship is stable. A higher GM indicates a stiffer ship, meaning it will resist rolling. A lower GM means the ship will have a slower, more comfortable roll, but could be at risk of capsizing in rough seas. Step 3. Calculate GC writing arm at 30 degrees. The writing arm GC is the horizontal distance between the center of buoyancy and the center of gravity when the ship is tilted. It determines how strong the ship's restoring force is when it keels. GM is positive 3.51 meters, which means the ship is stable. A higher GM indicates a stiffer ship, meaning it will resist rolling. A lower GM means the ship will have a slower, more comfortable roll, but could be at risk of capsizing in a rough seas. Step 4. Calculate the area under the GC curve 0 degrees to 30 degrees. The area under the GC curve represents the ship's ability to resist capsizing. It is calculated using the approximation. The larger the area under the GC curve, the more energy is needed to capsize the ship. A small area indicates that the ship has weak stability and could easily roll over. The 0.46 meters radians value shows that the ship has decent level of stability. The final answer is GC at 30 degrees equals 1.755 meters. Area under the GC curve 0 degrees to 30 degrees equals 0.46 meters radians. In conclusion, from the given ship stability data, we confirm that the vessel has a good stability, a positive GM, a reasonable GC at 30 degrees, and a moderate area under the GC curve. This means that ship is seaworthy under a normal condition.